Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate a part in Onshape CAD. So first of all, what you'll need to do is basically select your part and click on the transform button in the top menu. Right here, what you'll need to do is select rotate and click on axis. Now select an axis to basically rotate this part. So let's say I will select this one and I'll be able to rotate that part. As you can see, let's say 90 degrees. You can enter it right here and that will basically rotate your part 90 degrees. So that's how you can rotate a part in Onshape CAD. Also, what you can do is use the transform again. If you click right here and select different edge of your extrude or different axis. So let's say I want to select this one, and this will basically rotate from this edge. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.